Turns out size matters after all. According to Dr. Boguslav Pawlowski and Peter Sorokowski at the University of Wrocław in Poland, height is the key to sexual attraction, or at least that's where it begins. Basing their claim on the results of their recent study, the scientists say that the first criteria for picking a mate is making sure the height difference is acceptable. Only when that box is checked does someone move on to consider other characteristics, such as face, body shape, and, eventually, personality. Researchers showed 600 men and women aged 19 to 50 outlines of couples of varying heights and asked them to decide which were closest to their ideal. The testing concluded that not only do women like taller men and men prefer shorter women, but that these preferences break down into an ideal height ratio of 1.09 to 1. In practice, that means a 5'2" woman is on the lookout for a 5'8" man, and the 5'8" woman wants a 6'2" man. But Pawlowski didn't stop there. In another study, he showed that it's not just height, but specifically long legs that make the difference. The study asked 218 male and female volunteers to rank the attractiveness of 7 men and 7 women from digitally altered images. Researchers found that regardless of their own build, both women and men overwhelmingly preferred legs 5% longer than average. Short legs, on the other hand, are out. According to researchers, there's an evolutionary basis for this preference, as long legs are associated with good health. When you boil down the results, the preferences are a matter of being practical. According to scientists, women see taller men as powerful, attractive, and capable of providing protection for them and their potential offspring. Men, on the other hand, are all about reproduction. The ideal female form is a shorter woman with longer than average legs. This combines the high reproductive success of petite females with the sexual maturity indicated by the longer limbs. So while it may be true that love is blind, it turns out our sexual preferences have some common sense to them after all.